Mr. Chirikure Chirikure, the director of LitFest. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Mr. MC. Yeah, for sure, he was in our village with us a couple of weeks ago when my father was being installed as our chief. So yeah, he's not lying. It's well documented, and it was on national television. Thank you so much, and good evening, and welcome to our official opening ceremony, and welcome to LitFest. I think there's nothing as wonderful as starting something and see it growing and in leaps and bounds, but most importantly, when that whole process is going on, the whole team remaining together in good weather and in bad weather. The 9 years have been quite trying, but so fulfilling. There was a year, the LitFest team can be my witness. We ran the festival on a budget of $500, and things were really tight. But we kept on going. So I would want us all to sincerely applaud the LitFest team. It would have been wonderful to have them all here, but as you can appreciate, they're all over the place doing so many things. But I'm sure you know most of them. We have those who are here, Zaza Mchema, who just did the poetry. We have Kuzito Diana, who was in a LitFest shirt. Then we have Mes Makumbe, who is registering you as you get in. And we have one of our colleagues is on an assignment in Sierra Leone. And he was designing the program and the banners and the flyers and sending us with the 2-3 hour difference with Sierra Leone. We had to work through the night for us to be able to communicate with him and get the process through. And we have a colleague from Blawa, and you'll be coming in tomorrow. So that's the basic LitFest team and sticking together for 9 years. Thank you so much. We are so grateful. We wouldn't have this all happening, and especially this year's edition of the festival without the support of our friends. I hate the word partners. I think we are friends. I think friendship is deeper than partnership, I think. We had the National Arts Council playing a very crucial role in the whole process. Yes, it's mandatory for us to register them and consult with them, but they went all the way out to help facilitate the immigration process of our partners. And so now I'm falling back to them. Our friends from abroad, and they were just open for any form of advice and any form of support they could give. And we also are very, very, very grateful. Our friends from the University of Glasgow have been with us for more than 5 years now as partners, and over and above running the festival and curating the festival and helping source resources and ideas and concepts for the festival. They have also facilitated a research and documentation project of which we are partners with them and friends. You know, 100 years of history cannot be told in one day. So the project is called Culture for Sustainable Peace, and it involves several partners in Africa. It's Zimbabwe and Ghana, and Zimbabwe is Power and LitFest. And we have Mexico, Palestine, Morocco, Glasgow, Scotland, etc. So it's a big honor for Zimbabwe and for LitFest in particular. And for this year, our friends from Glasgow came in a big number. There are 7 of them. Could you guys stand up? So there will be part of the discussion programs, the readings, the performances, and workshops in particular. We also were highly honored by the United States of America Embassy, who facilitated and brought us in a wonderful friend, a writer, and a mentor and a teacher, Nandi Koma. Nandi, could you just stand up? So again, Nandi will be doing readings, facilitating discussions, and workshopping, etc., 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 etc. We also, through the Glasgow CASP project, we had Ni coming in all the way from Ghana, Accra. I think we need to give Ni a special applause, being our father-in-law. You remember, Salim Mugabe is from Ghana. Then we have colleagues friends who will be helping us with the streaming and etc. etc. It's an e-book organization based in Nairobi. They are called e-Kitabu. We will have some presentations from them featured virtually in the course of the festival. And I urge you, my fellow writers, to listen to that presentation, because we are working with them to upload e-books from Zimbabwe, especially we who are self-published. We will help each other to get your books reach a wider market through the e-Kitabu platform.
We love it, we love it, we love it.
Then we are so honored. Culture Fund this year could not support us because their budgets and structures were, things change and things get to stabilize. But the director will be our guest of honor tonight, which is much more important than money, I think. So our big gratitude to Culture Fund. The festival wouldn't be a festival without we, the creators. On behalf of the LitFest team, I would want to thank all the participants, those who are going to be performing and those who performed tonight, those who are going to be discussants, to be workshop facilitators, to be in dialogues, and most importantly, to be able to hang around together. I think it's a blessing we should applaud to, because it's not always easy to get opportunities to be together and share ideas and just share your dreams and help shape each other as creatives. And for that, I would want to thank everyone who accepted to be part of the festival. Thank you so very, 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 very much.
Thank you, Chirikure. Thank you.
Our media partners have been, it's so overwhelming, and we really are so grateful for the partnership, and it encourages us all to continue doing what we love to do. And in that same vein, we love to do what we love to do, and we thought actually it won't be fair just to let our visitors come and do what they do in Harare only. So for your own information, we end the festival Saturday night, late in the night, but early in the morning we will be in a course to Guero on Sunday, and on Monday our visitors will be interacting with our brothers and sisters, the creative sector in Guero, sharing ideas and developing each other. It's a new school process. They are not experts. We are not experts. We are all in the same journey as friends, sharing ideas and sharing dreams and visions. Then after that, we proceed to Blawayo and do the same in Blawayo, and then drive back, and just most of them, just having one night and straight to the airport. It's a lot of commitment, and we really want to appreciate you guys for that commitment. And thank you so very much. LitFest, the festival, is running, and let's all please be part of it right through the whole process. We want to continue understanding and knowing each other as we go. My personal dream and vision is that we will be able to convince the greater public that it's worth gathering together like we are and spend an hour or two just sharing ideas and discussions, and then listening to storytelling like this. The way money goes to our brothers and sisters who play music, I think a little percentage of that could come to a ticket to come and listen to Tough Bob doing storytelling, and I think the world will be a much better place. Not saying that there's anything wrong with music. I'm also a musician, but I think both sides of the arts and culture sector need our communities to support more and more. So yes, when we go back home, let's spread the word that there's something happening in Harare, and it will be happening in Guero and in Blawayo, so that particularly the younger generations, get to be part of this whole process. We will have more creators, more writers, and more poets, and more readers. And we will grow into a better Zimbabwe. Thank you so much. Enjoy the festival. Thank you.